Welcome home. We are here in Inverness, Florida on a private lake, and I'm just going to start by telling you that I am absolutely in love with this home. I'm going to walk you through and show you why, but there's so many great features to this house, and I think you'll be really excited after you see it all. So this is a very intimate private community in Inverness. Seven Lakes Park is the name of the community. And we're standing in a completely remodeled 2,100 square foot home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an office, a bonus room, family room, eating kitchen, formal dining, everything. Right off the bat, we have a beautifully updated entry with new lighting, 2 brand new double doors. You can see they've got the leaded glass. You get some natural light coming in through the front door. This hallway to my left is the guest and the bedroom wing. So all 3 bedrooms are down that side. We're going to start over here though. We'll enter through the dining room here on this side of the home. And this dining room overlooks the front and then walks and opens up into the kitchen. So you can see this is a completely remodeled kitchen. Everything's brand new in here. Beautiful new backsplash, stone countertops, wood cabinets. Absolutely gorgeous, soft close, doors and drawers, new appliances. You can see this way we have a hallway into the laundry room and then out to the garage, and there's a powder room there I'll show you in a minute, but I want to get right to the big thing. So this is one of the bonus rooms. It's right off the kitchen. You have an eat-in dining area and then this nice sitting area that overlooks the beautiful lake. One of the great features of this home is it has views along the entire back of the home that just look right out to that water. So very peaceful, very tranquil. The house has a 1-year-old roof. The HVAC is only 3 years old. All of the big ticket items are taken care of. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring as you're seeing throughout. This sunroom is an awesome space. You see you've got French doors that open up from the breakfast nook to this sunroom, again with panoramic views of the water. We've got these pocket sliders, quadruple sliders here that open up this family room. This family room is gorgeous with the fireplace as a focal point. Lots of little nooks for decorations and storage. Tons of storage in this house. You notice all the new light fixtures, new ceiling fans, and all new lighting. Nice vaulted ceiling here gives you a lot of volume in this space. And then as we walk back through the front foyer and we take our turn here to the left, we find our bedroom. So our first of the 3 bedrooms here. This is on the front of the house. New ceiling fan and lighting. Double doors on this bedroom. Huge closet for storage here along the hallway. So all the space has been really well laid out and well used to accommodate linen storage, all of those things that oftentimes can get overlooked in homes. You can never get enough storage spaces. Second bedroom, and you're noticing the bedrooms are also the luxury vinyl plank flooring. So that is lovely, easy to maintain and take care of. This is the guest bathroom. We've got 2 sinks in here, so everyone has their own sink, tub shower combo, a beautiful skylight there for natural light in the bathroom. So you can be very efficient in this home since you've got the updated HVAC, you've got the skylights for natural lighting. You don't have to be doing as much as far as your electric bill and things like that. This is the primary suite. This is the ensuite bathroom, completely remodeled, beautiful shower. Look at that nice shower head. Gorgeous tile. 2 sinks, 2 nice mirrors, huge linen closet. Again, very good use of the space. I really love how mindful they were with the space in this house. Even new toilets. So really everything here has been updated. We've got a nice walk-in closet here on the primary suite, brand new closet shelving. And look at these beautiful French doors. Absolutely gorgeous. They completely recess as pocket doors, or you of course can close them so that you can close off this area, which I think makes a great office space. Again, another flex space if you don't need an office, but what a wonderful office with a closet as well, and overlooking the water, which would be a problem for me working because I would probably just become mesmerized looking at the beautiful water. So again, we can walk back out onto this expansive sunroom area and enjoy that water view. Now let's walk to the other side of the home. I'll show you the powder room, the laundry room, and the garage. Again, lots of closets. Look at all that storage space with another utility closet there as well. And then of course, right here to the left is the powder room. You've got a nice half bath for guests. Always nice to have that extra half bath, so that's the space that you just keep pristine for when your guests come by. 2-car garage, and you can see that this is a true 2-car garage. We've got extra space on either side of the garage door, so you definitely can get 2 cars in. And look at this extra area. So you've got this extra bump out here. This is where you can put your lawnmower, if you have a golf cart, whatever toys, even your motorcycle would fit great here. Whatever extras you have, you've got this extra space to stow it away inside the house. Bicycles, all those fun things. Now we'll walk outside and you can see how grand is not really the word, but how amazing this space is out here. So you've got this lovely backyard and you just walk right off into the water. And as I said, this is a private lake, so it's very peaceful, very tranquil. And this is where you can relax at the end of the day with your glass of wine or your whole bottle if you're me, and just kick back and enjoy life here in Florida. So again, we are here in Inverness, Florida. Inverness is the county seat of Citrus County, and it is an incredible community. There is so much to do in Inverness. There's constant musical performances, bands, live bands playing on the square. We've got all kinds of mom and pop local restaurants that make the best food. Entertainment galore, wine bars, retail shops with lots of neat things. It's just a really classic place with very unique activities and things to explore and enjoy. So being in Inverness, we are in a location where it's easy to get to the south and get into some of the bigger shopping areas like Hernando County, or go north to Marion County. You kind of have really quick access both directions. So it's just a great location. So imagine yourself living here where you can look at this water every single day, morning and night. Your primary suite actually has views of this water, so you'd wake up in bed looking out at the water, seeing the nature. What a lifestyle this would be. So if you're interested in a private tour of this house, give me and my team a call. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty. RES Luxury Group is our team, and we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk soon.